Devin recently rebranded the Windsurf ID into Devin Desktop. They also released one of the command line interface that would include the agents now, just like we have with Cursor or similar other agentic command line, right? So if you click on product and Devin CLI in Devin AI, you will be taken to this interface where you can see curl command. This should go into your Mac or Ubuntu Linux. So if you are on Windows, you have to read the docs, and here you will notice that within docs this is for Mac or Linux, right? So you have to click on Windows, and now you have like two options. One, you can use typical installer, another is for ARM. So if you have Surface tablet, you can use the second link, and third option is using this PowerShell command. So IRM and IEX usually are used with PowerShell, right? So I'm going to copy this, and we will be opening this command prompt, and let me open this in one of the project directories. So it's not like we will be worrying about this specific folder as such. We can globally install this Devin CLI, right? So it will download and it will set the path as well. So let it work while we take pause. Here you can see it has installed the Devin CLI, and it will now set up commands and finally close the command line setup. Now here you see it also requires you to connect your command line interface with their cloud account, right? And also paste the token manually, but that's risky security wise. Can use with Windsurf for enterprise as well. So I will log in with browser. So it will open in the default Edge browser, and it will connect my existing account to Devin CLI. Here you can see it will give you the message connected to Devin, and you can close this. Now here you can see it expects you to connect GitHub as app for best results, connect other grid provider, and you can skip for now just to get the setup done, and now you are set. Now let me clear this, and I want to see what saying Devin does, so I can see if it has help, and if not, we have to check the available list of commands, right? So essential commands, you can see Devin, then your prompt here, then -p and prompt. So we will be using this format so that you won't have issues with remembering everything. We'll just use that mode. So then there are also slash commands. So first thing we have to do is we have to start the Devin, right? So we'll start as normal without any additional slash command or $np etc. type mode. So you'll come back here to check that particular set of commands, right? So if we go here, we'll just type in Devin, and here you see, do you trust this authors directory? So we will say yes. Now here you see it will show you the Devin CLI, and it will ask you can set itself up with skills and MCPs. So if you want to check all the models, you can use / and then models. So you can see I can use SWE, that's the only model because I am on free plan, right? Now next is using / for usage. You can check the credits, and we don't have any specific as such 100% quota for the week. Now next is context mode, right? Then bug, then handoff, accept edits, add directory, ask autonomous BTW, bypass clone plugin, and so on. So like this we can take this up to all the commands and use them, right? Initially, like when code, then anti-gravity command line interface or even augment code. And finally, the Devin CLI. It also has similar interface, and if you connect to the cloud, even the models are taken care for you, right? So you can use this for building your small apps, or even going through all the files and folders for code review, etc. So I'm going to use this for code review and building tasks for my project. So what sort of other applications and let's say tasks we can do, I will cover that later as I use in some active projects.